everyone, Golden Bar team is here in Brampton with our new listing 40 Lanewood Street. Major intersection Bramley and Peter Robertson. Only 2 minutes walk from Brampton Civic Hospital, very close to Highway 410, Bramley City Centre, Trinity Mall and all amenities. This beautifully kept house, built on a lot size of 36 by 121 and has 2-car garage, extended driveway to park 6 cars. Altogether you can park 8 cars. This house comes with more than 2000 square feet of living space, which offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 washroom, separate family and living room. Exceptionally, it has a finished basement for your own use, almost 600 square feet. Backyard is fully finished with the deck to enjoy the family time. Let's go and check it out. It might be your next dream home. A beautiful deck to enjoy coffee or sunset with your family. Fully finished backyard. If you need more information about this house, give me a call at 226-270-5000 or my business partner Narinder at 226-270-6000.